morning and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be wrapping the roof of 2009 Audi TT. Seems simple with the forged carbon wrap. In order to get to antenna, you have to pull this part of headliner. That's the back part, as you can see. So it sits like this. So the actual back you'll pull down and then it'll just pop. You got a 22 mil bolt holding the antenna, and then you got one cable going to the right and one to the left. The driver's side goes all the way back here to the trunk. So you got to follow the wires and cut them in order to pull the antenna. And then the other connection is down here, the blue one. You'll see it, there's 3 connections, should be all the way on top. Obviously you got to pull the panel and the seat out in order to get to the cables. Okay, so we cleaned the roof, prepped it, we clay bar it, cleaned it with the alcohol, and now it's time to apply the wrap. We're gonna run a knifeless tape around here and on the other side, so we have that straight cut. All right.
Got me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Okay, so the roof is done. As you can see, There's all that. The corners came good. We heat it up so to make sure it doesn't peel. Let me try it if I can get a as you can see, I don't know if we're gonna do this part. This is part of the trunk, so we might not. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, see better on this side. Once we pull the car out, you'll see a lot better. The antenna, it's like 3 or 4 pieces. You can see right here, but it's not as noticeable. So we gotta put all this back, and then we're gonna pull it out and show you how it looks. All right, guys, it's all done. We did this part, mashed it with the glass, pulled the line there, cut it off, and I don't know, I think the antenna we should do black, but here's the outcome. And then we did this, we pulled the line there, as you can see, from back, and then the side. Try to get you a better